Okay, today we're creating a business in 10 minutes using ChatGPT's image generating software. So, what's on the agenda today? So, the prompt: create a minimalist, modern logo for a premium coffee brand named Orem Coffee. The icon should be a stylized coffee bean that also looks like a golden nugget. The font should be a clean, elegant sans serif. Show it in black and gold on a plain white background. So no more jumping onto Fiverr, no more jumping onto Upwork, finding a design team. In seconds, you can create a logo for your business. So Orem Coffee logo design, here we have a golden bean. You can see it's generating here in the background. And wow, just in a few seconds, you have a dream coming to life. Your Orem Coffee, you have your logo. So from there, we will not waste any time because we're doing this in less than 10 minutes. We are going to create product shots using our new logo. So you can create product shots, you can create merch, but it's coffee. So we're going to create a coffee cup image. So using the Orem Coffee logo from the previous image, create a professional product photograph. A matte black ceramic takeaway coffee cup sits on a dark polished marble counter. The logo is printed in gold foil on the center of the cup. Dramatic high-end product lighting. Here we go. So again, before you would have to create a logo, get a designer, and then take this to another team potentially, or the same team and pay them again to create some images for you that you could use as product shots or merchandise, but not anymore. High quality images using ChatGPT. Wow, guys, take a look at this. Orem Coffee. Your idea has come to life in seconds. Wow, this was never possible before, but now in seconds, not only do we have our logo, but we have a product shot that we could use on merchandise, we could use on web copy, we could use on socials, but we're not just going to sit and look at this beautiful image. We're going to keep it going. And what do we need next? We need web content. So I'm going to take my prompt here. And this prompt is, so a Nolan photography layout of a barista tools for Orem Coffee to serve as the landing page. So this is going to be on our website. So neatly arranged on a reclaimed wood surface are a pour over kettle, a bag of coffee beans with the Orem Coffee label, a digital scale, a golden tamper, and a ceramic pour over dripper. So we want a top-down view, organized and clean. So that is the prompt, and we'll see what we get here now. So now, again, that is in just a few minutes, logo, product shots, and web copy. This is a 10-minute business. So for any idea you have, you can now have it come to life in moments. And here we go. Let's take a look at what it provided here. Bristol Essentials in Nolan style. And wow, take a look at that. Just like that, all blacked out. All black everything. Or coffee bag, the pour over, the kettle, except for the gold tamper, and you have your pour over cup here as well. So a fantastic image that could serve as your web landing page. And since it only took seconds, you could create multiple images for your entire website in moments. So now we have our logo, we have product shots, we have our websites. What's next? Advertising, of course, on social media. So we are going to put in our next prompt. And what do we want now for socials? Well, we want a lifestyle photograph for an Instagram ad, of course, for Orem Coffee. So a person's hand with a stylish watch is holding the branded black and gold cup from the previous images. The background is a blurred, sunlit, trendy city street with a golden hour glow. The vibe is aspirational and energetic, and we want to keep it vertical since we're going to be going on to Instagram. So here we go. Again, now it's creating the image, and now we have, and wow, here we have an unbelievable shot. I don't quite love how this watch is here. So what I'm going to say is fix this image so that the man's watch face is not showing, just the bracelet. I'm going to say, you know what? Make the watch gold. Everything is gold. Everything is gold. Let's go. Let's see if we could edit that image for us in a second. So no retakes, no touch-ups, just a quick prompt to see how it changes the image to give us what we want. Okay, so now our image is loading. Let's see if it fixed it here. And the watch actually looks good. Oh, there we have it. It looks like he's wearing a Rolex bracelet. How cool is this? So the coffee cup, I'm going to take it a bit further. The coffee cup looks a bit small. It could potentially be a small cup, but I want the product to stand out a little bit more. So what's amazing is now they've built this image generator within the chat. So this is why you can make improvements to it as you go. So I'm going to say, love the image. Do not change anything except for the size of the coffee cup. I'm going to say right now it looks like a small. Sorry, typing, guys. Looks like a small. Make it a large. Because we want to show off the product. We love the bean. We love the gold cup. We love the gold bean. We love the logo, the matte dark cup. So let's see if we can make it a little bit bigger and stand out so someone seeing that image on social knows it's about that coffee right away. So creating the image, see if it improves it for us. Sometimes what I've noticed in the past, let's see about this new image generator, it will change other things within the image. Well, let's see if it stayed true to the last image and just made the cup bigger. And wow, it did it. It did it. This is a larger cup and everything else to me looks exactly the same. I absolutely love it. Maybe I should bring this idea to life. Let me know in the comments if you would buy some Orem coffee if I decide to make this an actual business. So one more prompt I'm going to use is my storefront dream, because we are big, we are aspirational. You can dream big now. There's no more barriers to entry. Web copy, web images, all now done on ChatGPT. So for the very last one, we want a storefront. Who doesn't want to own a coffee shop? So a photograph of the exterior of the Orem coffee shop at dusk. This is the prompt. It's a small modern cafe with a large glass window. The gold Orem coffee logo is backlit above the entrance. Inside, warm light glows and you can see a barista working at a machine with the branded cups visible on a shelf. Now that is a prompt, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see what we have here. And it's creating the image. So again, this could be used on your socials, it could be on your web page, and it could be for an investor copy as well. If you're looking for investors that want to have some high-end images that are potentially aspirational in nature, or you're looking to seek funding, ChatGPT can help you create those images. So Golden Glow at Orem Coffee. Wow, that looks fantastic. Wow. Wow. I am so impressed. I am so impressed. Look at this. Exactly as we described it. I'm going to show you how to create great prompts as well. I'm going to link to another video at the end of this. But what we've done here, folks, in under 10 minutes is created a logo. We have then created a product shot straight to web images and the landing page, then to product shots we could use on social media. And finally, we tweaked it a bit to get that larger cup. Wow. Wow. An Orem coffee shop. In 10 minutes, we have created a business using ChatGPT's new image generator. So these are the 5 enhancements that were made. So image generation is now directly within the chat. No more DALL-E separately. It's within the chat window, which makes it a lot more precise, as you've seen, and able to make updates a lot quicker. Much better prompt accuracy. Now, it made a few mistakes, but it was able to correct it instantly. Iterative editing worked. As you just seen again, it was so easy to make corrections. Faster generation. The images only took a few seconds to load. Now, it would be hours, days, if not weeks getting this done on Fiverr, on Upwork, or any other platform. But now in minutes, or not even minutes, seconds, you can have post-ready images. Consistency across images. So From update to update, you saw the coffee cup stayed exactly the same. We were able to manipulate it and just make it larger. Also, the logo did not change an inch or a millimeter. It stayed exactly the same. So there you have it, guys. In 10 minutes, you've created your own business, from the logo to the product shot, to the web content, to socials, and to your very own coffee shop images. So doesn't matter what you're doing, ChatGPT image generator can bring your idea to life. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. I'm Ali, your